Alright guys, before I continue, something that slipped my mind. I have a shout out to Jesus from ACiT 2001. So yeah, it's a little shout out. Alright, let's continue. Title of this video is cracking time glitches and stuff. And the thing with the stuff is that I'm just going to show you a location of one of the Zoni on here. So yeah, when you're up here, when you're about ready to go over here, you're about ready to go into that thing, into the rest of the level. You actually just go over here towards this thing and then go off. Oh crap. Alright. And the Zoni would be right here. So yeah. So alright. And there's another one right here. But he yeah, goes in the sky and stuff like that. But alright, I'm not gonna chase him around. But that basically concludes all this stuff. Now I want to do it quickly so I get back to the walkthroughs and stuff. Cracking time walkthrough will not come ever, so I still want to showcase this game. My definition of that is to do something in this game, so which I did. So alright, see ya.